Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are unboxing the true gem from the 80s series, the 84 Mustang SVO. This model has been a favorite among collectors for years, and it's easy to say why. So let's dive in. Comes with the striking silver and green gradient lines on the hood and sides, along with the Mustang SVO branding. This diecast model captures the essence of the original SVO perfectly. So what made the SVO so special? Back in the day, it was the most expensive and the fastest Mustang available. Designed by the Ford Special Vehicle Operation Department, the SVO nameplate signifies its high performance. Like its predecessor, the Mustang Cobra, the SVO features a sleek liftback design, and this year, Hot Wheels has released the 84 Mustang SVO in a stunning red color. Just look at how cool it looks. It's a must-have for any collector. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments what you think of 84 Mustang SVO. Do you have this model in your collection? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.